Hello everyone, hello Colorado residents, and those of you thinking about moving to the state of Colorado. I want to talk to you about qualifying for an FHA loan in your state. One of the first things that people wonder is what the credit score requirements are. And you can get an FHA loan with very low credit scores. For a down payment of 3.5%, your credit score needs to be 580 or higher. However, if your credit scores are 500 to 579, then you'll need a down payment of 10%. You will need a 2-year work history. It's okay if you've had a gap in employment or if you've recently changed jobs, that's fine. It's also okay if you've had a recent bankruptcy. We can help you to get approved with a recent bankruptcy. Recent Chapter 13s, we can get you approved before it's even discharged, so that's possible. If you need down payment assistance, we have a couple of down payment assistance programs listed on the webpage that I'm linking to down below. And also, we have a lender that offers down payment assistance as part of their mortgage package, which makes it much easier for you to qualify for both the down payment assistance and also the mortgage all together and all at once. You can get a great program with FHA called the FHA 203K Rehab Loan. And with that rehab loan, you can purchase or refinance your home. And when you're buying it, you can put the 3.5% down and borrow the money to purchase the rest of the home, and also extra money on the mortgage for rehab or updates to the house. You can also get that program if you already own the house and you want to refinance it but have a little equity in your remaining. If you do have plenty of equity, you can get the cash out refinance. And if you're not looking to cash out, then you can get the streamline refinance, which is just refinancing to get a better rate, for example, and you don't need to provide any income documentation, or you don't need to pay for an appraisal either. Now, one other thing you need to know is that there are maximum FHA loan amounts for each county within the state of Colorado. And there are some counties in your state that have been identified as high-cost counties, and those down payment, loan limits are going to be higher than the majority of the counties in Colorado. So if it's more expensive, if the home is more expensive on average in your county, check the loan limits, because you may be able to borrow more, but you still need to qualify for the loan amount with your income. We are listing all of those loan limits on the web page for you to visit. If you want to visit the web page, you can see them there. And we do update them every year because the FHA loan limits tend to change every single year. Now, if you'd like to talk to someone about getting approved, if you have a challenge you're trying to overcome, or if you're just ready to move forward, just visit us at FHAlenders.com. We'll help you there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.